Getting the right presents for your loved ones is difficult, even if customers know what they want to buy. Website downtime is the biggest nightmare for e-commerce store owners during the holiday season that may cost you thousands of dollars in lost revenue. Hi, this is Vladimir. Today we'll discuss how to get your store ready for the 2021 holiday season. During the 2020 holiday season, retail sales in the US reached a record number of $775 billion, and this year will not be any less fruitful. Stay until the end of the video where we'll talk about some cool features that you can use to delight your customers. And now let's talk about some basic and the most important stages of preparation. So, you've prepared everything for the holiday season, but your website suddenly crashes under the influx of visitors, a real nightmare that can cost you from a few thousand to millions of dollars depending on your business size. One of our clients has learned from their own experience how such situation can harm a business. During one of the Black Fridays before they started working with us, Make My Blinds website had gone through an outage and missed the sales. As a result, the company had to change the vendor that worked with their website, but the damage has been already made. There are a few reasons why such a situation may happen to your e-commerce website: poor server configuration, lack of auto-scaling feature, unreliable hosting provider, or even a successful hacking attack. So, what can you do? Start making sure that your website can withstand with the required loads, won't crash with the surge of visitors. Load testing will help you to simulate situations with a huge number of customers land on your website. It will help you to understand the performance and operating capacity of your system. Stress testing ensures the stability, robustness, and security of your system. It simulates situations with a huge number of users and huge amounts of data. Such situations are similar to DDoS attacks that makes a website unavailable to the real users. A security audit is also a very important stage of preparations for the holiday season. Patches review, code audit, malware check, and third-party integrations analysis are just one part of your work. Getting potential customers to your website is only a part of the job. Persuading them to buy something from you is an entirely different story. Are you sure that your e-commerce website provides a great customer journey? Customers evaluate your website with a single glance. Less than a second is enough for them to decide either to continue shopping or to turn your website competitors. Customer experience is the cornerstone of successful holiday shopping season. So, how can you mitigate any risks might ruin your holiday sales? Of course, a complete UX audit would help identify the main problems. It requires some time and helps the experts, so it doesn't mean that you need to sit around and do nothing. There are some high-priority tasks that you can perform yourself. First of all, make sure that your product stock displays correctly on product pages. There is nothing more frustrating than making an order and receiving an email or notification telling that no such products are left in the stock. Second, check the mobile friendliness of your website. The least you can do is make it responsive across all devices. The best you can do is implementing PWA technology. Third, make sure that the website search customers find the product they need and not the opposite. It should be error tolerant and understand what the customers might be looking for. Fourth, double check your live chat functionality. Add setup quick replies and reduce the load from your team. You probably added the live chat to your website, right? If you haven't, it's time to edit and allow customers to ask questions. For example, what products and delivery terms? Despite of all efforts, sometimes customers land on 404 page. Instead of showing a simple page with the lame excuses, rework it and by adding a new flagship product to it by a searching bar. finding presents for your loved ones is no easy task. Why don't you help your customers make the right choice? Sometimes it's not enough to provide a standard set of the features. You need to always delight your potential customers with something unique. Let's talk about the features that will help reimagine the whole shopping experience. All of us remember the spirit of the holiday season. Presents hunting can turn into a mission impossible for you who don't know what to buy. Well, customers are not different. Your mission is not to let them leave your website without a purchase. And there are two important features that can help you with that. First, gift certificates are one possible solution to help them to make the right choice. And if you add the ability to send such certificate by email, customers will be able to get presents for the loved ones living far away from them. It's win-win situation as gift certificates also increase the sales. Another successful solution is wishlist that your customers can share with your friends, social media and through emails. But what better way to get presents you want than to share a wish list, right? All of the mentioned features make sure that the customers won't leave your store with empty hands. Get ready for the holiday season while you still have time. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new videos. And don't be shy to give us that like yours.